Shannon Miller here from sunny Southern Florida. Seeing your uh, process and your video event, your virtual event, really made me think and how we can get something going with this, and he can be part of it, quite frankly. And the virtual versus the event side of it, the virtual was great. Um, Allowed me to really get uh, the education that you guys provide, and it really validated for me the kind of opportunities that are out there. Again, not knowing anything about drones, and the kind of money that can actually be made. So, Drone Command Live, absolute must. Um, my most valuable takeaway really was Diego's excellent description of the biggest marketing mistake, and that was lose the platitudes, hit the hot buttons, and condition yourself perpetually. Just get it inside of you. I think that really struck home for me. Um, as far as the presentation today, both of you guys, the whole thing was very well organized, very well structured. It flowed beautifully. Damon, you're an excellent communicator. You got a very calm teaching style about you, very knowledgeable. Diego, man, tremendous energy there. Um, really knows how to verbally emphasize what is truly important in the idea of marketing and what it takes to put this business together. Um, really makes you think about what is important to the getting the whole thing together. Um, I'm just I'm so excited about the next 2 days. I thank you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'm so happy to be here.